The next one we are going to do is the Park 3 step test. सबका फेवरेट पार्क्स 3 स्टेप टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. So we will do it with the help of example. A simple example लेते हैं. If the patient is having the right eye का hypertropia, right eye hypertropia increasing in the right gaze and in the right head tilt. And the right head tilt, right hypertropia increasing in the right gaze and the right head tilt. अब इसके 3 parts हैं, simple देखते हैं. We are having the 3 parts here. 3 parts अलग अलग कैसे solve करेंगे? One is the right hypertropia, second is increasing in the right gaze and third in the right head tilt. 3 steps हैं, 3 different things हैं. तो पहला step number 1 लेके चलते हैं. Step number 1, ठीक है ना. अगर हम 1 by 1 करेंगे the life will become very very simple and there are no many combinations of this question, so you have to practice really one combination and you are going to get through. ठीक है ना. Number 1 is I am saying that there is a right eye का hypertropia. If the right eye का hypertropia है then there can be 2 options. Either right eye is absolutely going into hypertropia या फिर दूसरा left eye is going into hypotropia. Right eye हाइपरट्रोपिया में चला गया या लेफ्ट आई हाइपो में चला गया, देन ऑल्सो इट इज रिलेटिव राइट आई हाइपरट्रोपिया. तो स्टेप नंबर 1 में हमेशा यू हैव टू कंसिडर बाय योर सेल्फ. मैम इट विल नॉट बी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. येस, दे विल गिव यू ओनली वन थिंग बट यू हैव टू कंसिडर इट बाय योर सेल्फ दैट इफ दे हैव गिवन यू राइट आई का हाइपरट्रोपिया इट कैन ऑल्सो बी लेफ्ट आई का हाइपोट्रोपिया. ये आपको खुद से लेना है. Now once you have taken this, right eye is going up. That means there is a depressor palsy. There is a depressor palsy in this eye. Other eye, yes, definitely you will get the PDF. Okay. Left eye का hypotropia. अगर इसका hypotropia है, that means we are getting a elevator palsy. That means it's a elevator palsy. So 1 का depressor है, 1 का elevator है. Now what are the depressors of right eye? Fastest fingers first देखते हैं. What are the depressors of the right eye? Right eye के depressors में right का inferior rectus and right का superior oblique. What are the elevators of the left eye? Elevators of the left eye में left का superior rectus and the left का inferior oblique. ये देखो step number 1. And सबसे मजेदार बात क्या है? That all the 4 will be given to you in the question. So you can actually check your step number 1 from the options given, whether you are getting the right options or not, because usually they will give you all these 4 options in the question itself. Now this is your step number 1. Coming to the step number 2. It increase in the right gaze. It is increasing in the right gaze. So when the patient sees towards the right gaze, it is increasing. That means there is a limitation of the motility. So let us make this patient look towards the right, something like this and something like this. So this eye will adduct and this eye will abduct. One eye is adducting and one eye is abducting. When I want to see towards right, my left eye will adduct and my right eye will abduct. Now you have to always remember that in the abducting eye में we have to choose the rectus muscle, and in the adducting eye, in cases of the adducting eye, we have to choose the obliques. ठीक है ना? This is a simple theorem that you have to remember. So in the abducting rectus, abducting में choose the rectus, in the adducting oblique, so in the adducting you have to choose the oblique. ये देखो 50-50 lifeline मिल गई, 2 आसानी से remove हो गए. Now you are left only with 2 muscles, right का inferior rectus and left का inferior oblique. Now applying the step number 3. Applying the step number 3, you have to find out only one muscle. It is increase in the right head tilt. It is increasing in the right head tilt. So when the person is doing the right head tilt, in order to maintain the balance, if you go with the vestibulo-ocular reflex, vestibulo-ocular reflex says that whenever we are tilting the head towards one side, the eyes will go in the opposite side, something like. Okay? Step का क्या meaning है? इस स्टेप का क्या मीनिंग है कि स्टेप का मीनिंग है कि देर इज अ लिमिटेशन ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ द आईज व्हेन दे आर डूइंग द राइट गेज, मतलब जब राइट गेज में देखेंगे सो देर इज अ लिमिटेशन ऑफ दिस साइड और दिस साइड, ठीक है। नाउ थर्ड इज दैट it is increasing in the right head tilt. When the head is going towards right, eyes will go towards opposite side. So if the head is going towards the right, eyes are going towards the left side. कुछ इस तरह से हमेशा eyes will move towards the opposite side. अब look at this, देखो right eye is going towards left, तो this will be intorsion, ठीक है, and left eye is also going towards left. This is actually extorsion. दिस इज एक्चुअली एक्सटॉर्जन। तो अगर हम हेड राइट में ले जा रहे हैं, आईज आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड, सो दिस आई विल इंटॉर्ट एंड दिस आई विल एक्सटॉर्ट, एंड यू नो दैट सुपीरियर्स आर इंटॉर्टस। सिंपल है, सुपीरियर्स आर इंटॉर्टस एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर इंफीरियर मसल्स, दोनों ही इंफीरियर मसल्स है, देयरफॉर यू डोंट हैव टू चूज द इंटॉर्जन, सो देयरफॉर आंसर विल बी द LIO। देयरफॉर नाउ यस, डोंट कंफ्यूज, बड़ा बड़ा मैं लिख रही हूं, डोंट कंफ्यूज विथ रेड। Here you don't have to apply the red. Red is for the tertiary action. यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी एक्शंस की, that is maximum elevation and depression in the eye which is already adducting is done by obliques. Maximum elevation and depression in an eye which is abducting is actually done by the rectus. So don't confuse it with the red.